I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
Begin attracting money into your life starting tonight with this powerful prayer. Leave your requests in the comments to strengthen your intentions, and we'll begin immediately. Repeat after me. I offer this potent prayer to the angels and saints, confident that the energies flowing through my life are positive. Money is on its way to me. Starting today, I declare that assistance and blessings are mine. Everything around me will sow seeds of financial growth and bring blessed moments into my life. I am confident that prosperity is near. Starting tonight, I will witness the influx of money and unparalleled economic opportunities because I am deserving, I desire it, and I attract it. The law of attraction is on my side, always working in my favor, blessing and assisting me in all my endeavors. I believe that with a calm heart, soul, and spirit, I will experience increasing abundance and the prosperity I've always dreamt of. The funds I need will start flowing into my life tonight, addressing all my needs, debts, expenses, and investments. Day by day, the saints and angels will hear me, guiding my thoughts and actions, helping me wisely manage the incoming wealth. I am eager to master money management, and I know that with the law of attraction supporting me, my thoughts will manifest. Starting tonight, my desires will be acknowledged. I will align my actions with integrity and joy. This evening is special because the angels and saints are with me, guiding me towards boundless joy and fulfillment. I am destined for wealth, prosperity, and all the good things in life. I believe in my worth and know that abundance is imminent. The angels and saints are always by my side, blessing my heart and soul, aiding me in making the best life choices. Their magnificent presence ensures that everything around me is perfect, and the energy I carry is abundant and prosperous. From today, my ideas will be clearer, and my financial resources will multiply. Every deposit in my bank will grow exponentially. I declare and manifest this now, feeling in my heart and soul that prosperity is imminent. I am grateful for the incoming wealth and anticipate the positive changes it will bring. I am certain that my desires will manifest, for I recognize my worth and am committed to working diligently. The law of attraction and the universe are signaling my impending success. I am deserving of the best life has to offer, and with unwavering faith and devotion, I know my life will transform for the better. Amen. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.